Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip S Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon and select option now or auto, depending on what you want to do. If you want to enable Do Not Disturb mode and keep it enabled until you turn it off, you select the now option and the mode will be enabled. As you can see, the icon changed the color, which indicates that the mode is turned on, and it will stay on until you turn it off. But you can also enable the auto option, and this option basically turns on and turns off the Do Not Disturb mode automatically when you go to sleep. So it will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode when you go to sleep and turn it off when you wake up. Of course, you need to be wearing your watch during the sleep for this option to work. Okay, and that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon and select the Not Now option, and the icon will change the color back to the, I don't know, blue, gray, or whatever the color is, and this indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you disable the mode. Okay, and that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.